G'day, welcome to Kap Industries. I'm just going to show you now the fire extinguisher install for a BA to FG Falcon. The tools you're going to need are a T50 Torx bit and a wrench, a 10mm socket and spanner. The procedure is very easy and I'll show you how to do it right now. The Falcon interior has these two large plastic seat bolt covers. They're very easy to remove. All you have to do is just grab it here and slide it off. That gives you access to the two T50 bolts that hold the seats down. Simply remove the two bolts and the bracket fits straight in. Attach your fire extinguisher cage to the Kap Industries fire extinguisher bracket and then use the supplied hardware to bolt to the extinguisher bracket. And place the extinguisher bracket into its spot and put the bolts back in. After you've tightened up those bolts, slip the plastic covers back on. They just slide back in, connect the tongue at the back, and then push it back on. And put your extinguisher into its cage. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe.